Look at this ayah. لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون. Allah Azza wa Jal speaks of all heavenly bodies. Each of them in their own assigned space, they are floating, swimming, rotating. What's He speaking about? Bodies in space, planets, stars, right? Galaxies. He's speaking about all of them doing what? Rotating. Spell out the first words, kullun fi falak. What's the first letter in kullun fi falak? What's the last letter? What's the first letter? What's the second last and second? What's the third last and third? You notice something? What are they rotating around? What letter are they rotating around? The word he used for rotating, yasbahun, yeah. SubhanAllah. How do you do that? How do human beings come up with that? Allah Azza wa Jal speaks, and this is not written form. This is not written word. This is spoken word. Allah Azza wa Jal gave this Qur'an to the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam so he would recite it unto the people. So he would recite it as a word. We are baffled even the way it's spelled, even the way it's written. But it was baffling, mind-boggling, stunning, really stunning in its perfected form.